Hey class, so we are now continuing our discussion on video production processes. So breaking it down into the two main types, we're talking about pre-scripted videos and then videos that are scripted in post-production. So talking about our current assignments, if you're doing a commercial or an ad or a public service announcement, you are going to be doing a project that is pre-scripted. And then if you're doing a mini documentary, and this also applies to news stories and some types of PR videos, your heavy lifting and storytelling is going to happen in post-production, so after you shot the video. Arguably, in all types of video production, the most challenging thing is just figuring out how to tell that story. So the heavy lifting for your PSA or for your ad is going to happen in pre-production. That's when you're figuring out how to tell the story, and you figure that out before you go and shoot the video. Not to mitigate how difficult it can be to shoot video and to edit video, but that challenging part where you're going to spend the most time is in pre-production figuring out that story. Now it's reversed with a mini documentary. Most of your heavy lifting and figuring out where the story is happening after you've shot the video, and that is because you have no idea what people are going to say. Sure, you have a topic, you've done planning, you figured some things out, but at the end of the day, you are figuring out that story and doing the most difficult part, or arguably the most difficult part, after you've shot the video and piecing together those parts of the interviews into a cohesive story that makes sense. So that is the main differentiation between those two types of processes, is where the storytelling, aka where the heavy lifting, is happening in that production process. So without further ado, we're going to break down those processes in more detail in this week's module.